The dashboard. Welcome to a new video from the Foodics POS How-To series. The dashboard is the homepage that will appear when you log into your Foodics account. It provides you with an overview of your restaurant performance from various aspects, such as the number of completed orders, net sales, net income, discount amount, and other data. The chart helps you monitor your sales performance easily on an hourly basis. Find out your peak hours and invest them in promotions and seasonal events to increase sales all year round. You can also discover your best-selling products, most used payment methods, and highest-selling branches. If you need more detailed information, you can set specific time periods using the date buttons at the top of the screen to show data on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This interactive screen can be easily accessed from any computer, so you can stay on top of your business at all times. Discover more features in the next video.